You gotta let the missus try them first, or else I don't want those problems. I don't want those issues, so.
So what about is a dollop of our delicious homemade
Sour cream.
sour cream.
Cut.
You do a lot to me, boy. Why can't you see that you do a lot to me, and anything you need, you'll get it from me.
Something has to happen. We don't feel safe. Amanda Williams was killed more than 2 weeks ago after what started as a
Back up on my grizzly on my bar. Yeah, yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah, yeah. Fake energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around this time, it costs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can't trust nobody, no, we all fucked up. I don't trust nobody, only God I trust. Over traumatized, so the squad might bust. Probably get your body, then the squad locked up. Look, I've been in my head, I don't know which way to turn now. Thought it was forever, but relationships and turn out. And I'm sick of trying, man, I start to feel the burnout. People come and go, that's a lesson that I learn now. Back up on my grizzly on my bar. Yeah, yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah, yeah. Fake energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around this time, it costs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Back up on my grizzly on my barge. Yeah, yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah, yeah. Fake energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around this time, it costs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Doing well now, I let go cause I wasn't held down. False claimers, false friends, yeah, they everywhere now. I just move in silence, I don't kiss and tell. Now let me get that back. I just move in silence, I don't kiss and shh. Look, life ain't come with manuals. Old friends, I wish them well. Close the coffin, hit the nail. Had to change the personnel. Keeping distance, he can tell. Giving distance, he can tell. Find my peace and laugh behind these raps while the speakers swell. Back up on my grizzly on my bar. Yeah, yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah, yeah. Fake energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around this time, it costs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Back up on my grizzly on my barge. Yeah, yeah. Ask me how I'm doing awesome. Yeah, yeah. Fake energy, that's where you lost him. If you come around this time, it costs. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, fam, I just finished with the pancakes. Check out this beautiful stack of pancakes made from Teff flour, apples, walnuts, bananas. It smells so good too. I can't wait to dig into these. But first, gotta let the lady try them because I don't need that smoke. I don't want them problems. So after she tries them, then we'll get the okay. I hope. Pancake boss. I'm the pancake boss.
He is. All right.
Teff boss, pancake boss.
Finally, guys, finally, I get to eat something that he made. It's only right.
I knew this time would come, but I'm willing to, relinquish the eating skills for the cooking skills.
All I'm saying is, this is reciprocity, yeah? So, as you can see, my plate of delicious Teff Pancakes, 100% alkaline. That means Dr. Sebi approved, if you know, you know. And also
Dr.
gluten-free.
Sebi approved.
And also
Alkaline Teff Pancakes.
that part, gluten-free, and packed with iron. Women, especially when you are during your cycle, get your Teff, yeah, get your Teff.
So many uses.
So many uses. And so what I've added
Benefits.
here, so many benefits, that's what he said. I added a dollop of delicious sour cream that we made. But Ade, Queen Legacy, she actually enjoys her pancakes with a dollop of ice cream. So since Ishe makes his ice cream from scratch, next time Mom visits,
Oh yeah.
Make sure you have
Well,
some ice cream on hand.
we're gonna do that video of me making ice cream. Definitely.
if you're really going to like indulge and go all out, you could add a dollop of homemade, clean ingredients only gelato. And as you can see, we have a strawberry on top. Now, typically, if I was going all out, I would drizzle some agave or maple syrup, both organic, either agave or maple syrup. And maybe even add a pinch of sea salt just to create that sweet and savory. But I'm currently on the Candida detox, so I'm sugar-free, which is why I'm so grateful that Ishe made this sans sugar.
Yeah, I'm going somewhat sugar-free. While she's on this Candida diet, I'm gonna decrease my sugar intake too.
You have. You've been
Except-
doing great.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna put some syrup on my pancakes though. Let's not get that wrong.
Let me get a little piece of fruit too. Let's see. So you got fruit, sour cream, and Teff pancake.
Every day.
I wish you guys were all enjoying a bite. I'm telling you, it is outstanding. Phenomenal. With the walnuts, it adds some texture to it, some crunch. The savoriness that's actually coming from the sour cream, maybe I wouldn't have even added sea salt, even if I'd added sweetener. And truthfully, I don't even miss the syrup, agave or maple syrup, because it's moist.
Yeah,
It's
you can
really,
you can
really
eat
moist.
these without syrup. Like you don't really need to sweeten it because the apples and the banana mashed up in there is, that's got enough sweetness for this pancake.
Listen, I'm from Italia. We don't play when it comes to food. Bologna, nonetheless, the food capital. Excuse me for sticking with my mouth open. Bologna, if you know, you know.
Wow. Yeah, and when we go, we're gonna bring all that exciting food.
Back to my hometown. 10 out of 10. Perfection, babe. Perfection.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Make yours. Let us know in the comment section how it went for you, yeah?
And with that, I can't hold it no longer. I need to eat. I'm ready to dig in to the pancakes. So I'm gonna sign off. Yes,
Perfection, right?
that is the stuff right there.
Who needs to go out when you can eat like this at home? Save your skrilla. Eat clean. Know what's inside of your food. Signing off.
Bye.